इंटरनेशनल अफेयर्स के सिलसिले में जो MCQs हैं इसका पार्ट 1 है, इसको आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, नासा प्लान टू decommission and retire ISS in year dash question mark. Its answer is option C, 2031. Next question, ex-Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe was assassinated on. Its answer is option B, 8 July 2022. Next question, longest serving Prime Minister of Japan Shinzo Abe was died at the age of. Its answer is option A, 67. Next question, in which city of Japan former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe was assassinated? Its answer is option A, Nara. Next question, Indian navigation system is officially known as dash and launched by dash. Its answer is option B, Navic and ISRO. Next question, Kazan is a city in dash located on the bank of Volga and Kazanka rivers. Its answer is option C, Russia. Next question, Rwanda joined Commonwealth in dash question mark. Its answer is option A, 2009. Next question, who is the current foreign minister of Brazil? Its answer is option D, Carlos Alberto Franca. Next question, who is the current foreign minister of Cuba? Its correct option is option B. Next question, who is the current foreign minister of Costa Rica? Its answer is option D, Rodolfo Solano. इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।